So I noticed I was losing my hair in my late 20s. It did make me depressed that I was losing my hair, and especially when comments were being made. It was just very upsetting to me when I was losing my hair. And then people would say things just in passing or joking or whatever, but inside me it really hurt my feelings. I decided to research it. I went online to find a doctor. I had interviews with a couple other doctors, and finally came here and found my home. I went to PAI Medical Virginia, and I came in, we had a consultation, we talked about what kind of procedure I need to fulfill my hair loss, and I was happy with what they were proposing, and I went ahead with it. Everybody's just great here. For me, I knew that this was the place for me. I came in here and it didn't feel like a business transaction. It felt like, you know, I was taken in like I was a friend. So the procedure was easy, and I didn't feel anything. No pain. We went home and took care of it. It was in and out procedure, very easy. I feel like I'm getting a lot more health in my hair. I saw dramatic results about 6 months after that. Having this procedure has definitely changed my life. I believe that if I didn't have the hair I have now, I would be a different person. So for me, I'm glad that I do have my hair. I feel amazing. I'm glad I do feel more attractive now than before when I was losing my hair. I'm definitely more confident. I'm not afraid, to go out into public. When I was balding, if I had to have a hat on or try to comb it over, grow it out long and do a comb over. But yeah, I don't have to worry about that anymore. For me, choosing PAI Medical Virginia was the people, the staff, the friendships. Walking into the space and meeting the consultants, straight off the bat, these people are friendly, and you get that sense that this is where you want to be. They do have the technology and experience to provide you with anything that you're looking for in the hair field. I have had the transplants, the PRP, and the laser. Normally, I come in for a PRP and I'll get the laser the same day. We just hit everything one day, and it's a pretty productive day. It's a good day for me when I can come in here. I believe that it is worth the cost, the surgery, the post-op. It's worth it. Having my hair is definitely worth it. If you were a friend of mine, I would tell you to come to PAI Medical Virginia and grow your hair back.